In the vibrant and complex tapestry of world coinage, few coins shine with the same mystique, history, and hidden potential as a 2005 Australian 50-cent World War commemorative coin. This isn't just a coin. It's a symbol of national pride, a tribute to those who sacrificed everything, and for the fortunate few who possess it, a potential key to untold fortune. Cloaked in silver brilliance and historical gravity, this coin has become one of the most coveted and expensive collectibles in numismatic circles. To hold one is not only to grasp a piece of history, it may be to hold a spark that ignites an unimaginable financial transformation. Struck in honor of the 60th anniversary of the end of World War II, the 2005 50-cent coin isn't just currency, it's a legacy carefully molded in metal. It pays tribute to Australia's role in one of humanity's most defining conflicts, celebrating the courage, sacrifice, and victory that reshaped the modern world. But beyond its symbolic significance lies a secret. Certain versions of this coin, due to mint errors, limited releases, or pristine condition, have soared in value to staggering heights, making them not just valuable but life-changing assets. The beauty of this coin lies not just in its design but in its story. Featuring a striking composition that blends wartime imagery with hopeful symbolism, it captures the moment Australia stepped from the shadows of global conflict into a new era of peace. Every detail is carefully etched, from the slanted rays of victory to the proud posture of service. For collectors, the emotional weight of the coin adds to its worth, turning it into something far more than metal, a relic of resilience, honor, and now, incredible value. Few people realize that hidden among common circulation are rare gems like the 2005 50-cent World War II coin that are worth thousands, possibly millions, in today's red-hot collector's market. Particularly valuable are uncirculated pieces, coins with proof finishes, and those with minute-minting errors that make them unique. When these rare characteristics align, the coin transcends ordinary value, becoming a once-in-a-lifetime asset. That's why experts and amateurs alike scour collections, hoping to find that one extraordinary specimen that could change everything. Imagine this: a coin slipped unknowingly into a child's collection years ago, or resting quietly in an old wallet or drawer. One day, it's rediscovered and appraised, not as a mere token of war remembrance, but as a multi-million-dollar rarity. That moment of revelation is electrifying, and it has happened more often than you'd believe. The 2005 World War II 50-cent coin, in the right condition, could be worth more than gold, more than stocks, more than the house you live in. This isn't exaggeration. It's the real power of numismatic value when history, rarity, and collector demand converge. The coin's allure doesn't stop at monetary value. It's a gateway into a global community of collectors who recognize and respect its weight. Owning such a piece grants access to auctions, exhibitions, and private sales where treasures change hands discreetly. In these elite spaces, your coin isn't just an object, it's a passport into a world where stories become wealth and history breathes in every bid. It's not uncommon for coins like this to be at the center of bidding wars, with wealthy collectors and institutions vying fiercely for ownership. Preserving such a coin is crucial. Its future value depends on how it is handled today. Kept in a pristine holder, free from oils and scratches, protected from the elements, this coin will continue to appreciate in value. It's a future-proof investment, one that carries not just material worth but emotional and historical significance. Its price tag may rise with every passing year as it becomes rarer and more recognized among serious collectors. What makes the 2005 World War II 50-cent coin even more extraordinary is its accessibility. It was released into circulation, meaning that anyone, yes, anyone, could have come across one without even knowing its potential. That's what makes this story so exciting. You don't have to be wealthy to be sitting on a future fortune. You just have to be lucky enough, or wise enough, to recognize the value in what others might see as ordinary. If you believe you possess one of these coins, take it seriously. Seek an expert valuation. Never rush to sell, especially to those who prey on ignorance. Every year, stories emerge of people who unknowingly sell rare coins for pennies on the dollar, unaware that what they held could have set them financially free. Don't let history repeat itself. Educate yourself. Protect your asset. And prepare for the possibility that your life is about to change. Collectors and investors alike agree that coins like the 2005 Australian 50-cent World War II commemorative are more than just currency. They are opportunities. opportunities to touch history, to build generational wealth, to enter a realm of prestige and passion that few ever experience. This coin could be a golden ticket, hiding in plain sight, disguised as simple silver but rich in untold promise. So go, search your drawers, your coin jars, your memory boxes. Look closely. You might just discover that you are holding not just a 50-cent coin, but the very coin that has the power to rewrite your destiny. History has already marked it. The world has already recognized it. Now it's your turn to realize its worth. Because sometimes, fortune doesn't knock. It jingles quietly in your pocket. The 2005 Australian 50-cent World War coin and its imagined legendary value. In the realm of rare and mysterious treasures, there exists a coin that has quietly stirred the passions of collectors, historians, and dreamers alike. The 2005 Australian 50-cent World War commemorative coin is more than metal. It's a vessel of legacy, a key to unimaginable fortune, and for those lucky enough to possess it, a silent promise of prosperity. This isn't just a coin. It's a symbol wrapped in silver armor, echoing the courage of generations past, while whispering wealth to those who truly understand its potential. Crafted to honor the end of World War II, this coin carries more than design. It carries a story. Etched with powerful imagery that speaks of sacrifice and victory, it stands as a tribute to men and women who endured one of the darkest chapters in human history. But hidden beneath this noble purpose lies something even more extraordinary. Certain rare variants of this coin, due to minuscule minting differences or pristine preservation, have become collectors' holy grails, objects of staggering worth. The idea of holding such a coin in your hand, a coin that could potentially be worth millions, is as thrilling as discovering buried treasure. Imagine a simple 50-cent piece that could turn your life on its head overnight, that could move you from scarcity to security, from dreams to fulfillment. That's the legend of this coin. That among the ordinary, the extraordinary might be waiting, quietly gleaming in a drawer or tucked away in an old collection. Some stories are so unbelievable they feel like fiction, but in the numismatic world, stranger things have happened. A coin pulled from spare change once sold for 6 figures. A mistake in minting, a rare die pairing, or even a flaw invisible to the naked eye can catapult a coin's value into the stratosphere. The 2005 World War II 50-cent coin, especially one in mint state or with rare characteristics, has been whispered about in similar tones. A coin with the power to rewrite a collector's destiny. What makes this coin even more captivating is how accessible it once was. Unlike ultra-rare gold pieces sealed in museum cases, the 2005 commemorative coin was released to the public. That means the very coin that could fund a luxury estate or pay for generations of wealth might be hiding in an ordinary household. Forgotten, underestimated, unappreciated. The right coin in the right hands is like a match to dry timber. It only takes one spark to set everything ablaze. This is not just about collecting. It's about fate. It's about what happens when historical reverence, rarity, and market madness collide. Collectors from around the world now compete fiercely for specimens of this coin in top-grade condition. The frenzy it has inspired is more than hype. It's driven by the raw truth that tangible history is becoming more valuable with time, and few pieces carry such a perfect storm of significance and scarcity. The design itself is a masterpiece. With its stylized flame of remembrance and solemn symbolism, it represents more than war. It speaks to resilience. And that emotion, that deep national pride embedded in its metal, only increases its allure. Owning such a coin is like owning a monument. And monuments, unlike fleeting trends, hold their power across generations. In the world of high-stakes coin collecting, emotion sells, history sells, and mystery sells big. The 2005 World War II 50-cent coin carries all three. If your coin shows even a hint of error, if it's uncirculated, or if it simply has the right eye appeal, you could be holding an item that auction houses would battle over. It could be a 6-figure prize today, or a 7-figure legend tomorrow. You must be cautious, though. There are many who would snatch such a coin from your hands for mere dollars, hoping you don't know better. Don't be one of the stories told in regret. Protect it. Get it graded by a respected authority. Understand its power. And above all, don't settle. Your fortune could be resting in the palm of your hand. Those who know coins know value isn't always about face value. It's about rarity, beauty, provenance, and above all, timing. And right now, the time for coins like this is surging. Wealth isn't always loud. It sometimes clinks quietly, stored in pockets, drawers, and jars, waiting to be recognized by someone bold enough to believe. Let this be your wake-up call. If you own the 2005 Australian 50-cent World War coin, treat it not as change, but as a chance. Because history has proven that the smallest things, an overlooked penny, a forgotten medal, a simple silver piece, can transform lives. You don't need a winning lottery ticket. You might already have something far rarer, far more powerful. In a world obsessed with digital wealth, there's still magic in the metal. The 2005 50-cent World War II coin is proof of that. So hold yours with pride. Protect it like gold. Because while some chase fortune, others unknowingly hold it. And only the wise ever realize what's truly in their grasp. Let me know if you like a version in Hindi or formatted for a video script or blog.